If you would like to see how I made this drip tumbler, keep watching. I'll be using the Premier Pack from Diamond Fire Rhinestones, curated by Angela from Rustic Peach Boutique. The colors I received were the Special Mix California Love, Padparadscha, and Mocha Light Peach. I'll be using some additional colors: Fiery Aqua Opal, Green Fire Opal, Black, and Fiery White Opal. I'm starting off with a 24-ounce Plump Tumbler from the Tipsy Magnolia. I painted my tumbler using Dexy Bell Bonding Boss. I am now drawing some drips on the tumbler. You can always use a template if you have one. Now I'm taking my 1-inch painter's tape to help make the checkerboard at the bottom. I really wanted to use vinyl for the zebra and leopard print, but I decided to hand draw that as well. Now I'm coloring the cup using my paint markers I got off Amazon. I'll be sure to list the colors and the brand I use down below. It is time to do some outline work. I was going to use SS6, but I decided to use SS10. This actually helps speed up the time for the cup. After my outline, I rhinestoned the top edge of the cup to establish my foundation line and worked from the bottom up to let the foundation line dry. Now for the rest of the cup, I just worked in sections. I found that this helps rhinestoning a cup go a lot faster. I finished this cup in about 2 days in between work and other activities. For the bottom of the cup, I had my husband remove the bottom, and then I mixed about 10 milliliters of Alumilite epoxy with a sugar berry glitter that came with the Premier pack that's from Diamonds and Dust to glitter the bottom. Then I took my logo tag and the rest of the California Love mix to rhinestone the bottom. Now here's the finished product. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching.